Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Tries. So I did a video before with resin, with UV resin in specific. Now I have different silicone molds and stuff like that. And what I wanted to try is somebody told me that if I used pastels, you can see I use these a lot, but if I use pastels, I can actually tint it better than the food coloring. So I wanted to try it out with you guys and see if I can do like these little diamond-y things with some glitter, with the color, like just a whole mishmash of a whole bunch of stuff. And then also try it on a seashell like I did the last time, but this time using some decorative sand. Now, I do live in Florida and we do have free sand when you go to the beach, but I haven't been to the beach, so store-bought sand it is. So I'm going to try mixing the UV resin with the sand to see how that comes out. And then also doing the pastels in 2 different shades of colors to see if I can get that frothy look that I was trying to go for last time on these. So let's do this. Okay, so what I did is I put some resin in the bottom. So I'm going to try and see if maybe if I layer this, that maybe it would work out good. So while that's happening, I am going to lower you guys down so you guys can see what I'm doing. Hopefully you guys can see. So here's my resin. I already put resin in here, and I'm going to take one of my tools, and I want to try and do this with like blue and green. So I'm just going to scrape a bit into the resin from the pastel. There we go. And now I'm going to grab my lime green that's here and stick a little bit of that in there. And that it's somewhat see-through. That's kind of the goal here. It's to use the pastels to make it transparent rather than opaque as it was with the acrylic as well as the food coloring, because those colors were actually really intense. So I have some of this. It came out pretty cool for this kind of color. It's kind of like a blue-green color, not quite that aqua color. And I think next time I'm going to flake that pastels, however you say it. Right now I can't even think. Try and, you know, kind of make it more powder-like because I got a couple of chunks in here. Ah, look at what I'm doing. I'm already spilling. Okay, now let me cure this and then work on the next layer. So, now these cups, they are of, let me grab one of the ones that doesn't have, they do have a 5 pp in the bottom here. If you have a 5 pp in the bottom, this is like the horriblest type of lighting I have here. So anyway, the 5 pp in the bottom, this makes it so that way the resin does not actually stick to the cup. These are just cheap throwaways, so I'm just going to throw them away. But if you want to reuse, you can, if as long as it says 5 pp in that little recycle symbol in the bottom. I'll just get it hard. So while that's happening, let's start working on the sand. Now when you pour this, you want to make it so that way it's creamy, not the way that I have it here. So I'm going to need to add more resin. the sand kind of came out really fast on me, so. Okay, so it should have that kind of texture and look. So let me grab one of these. And I'm going to put this on the edge. Right along the edge of this. That way it kind of looks like how everything would on the beach. And again, like I did the last time, I forgot the dang gloves. I took them out, people. But I don't know why I keep forgetting them. So I'm going to pop this in the lamp and pull another seashell to kind of keep it at that angle. All right, so while that's happening, I'm going to pour another layer of resin. And in this layer, I'm going to put some glitter. Now I have these little star glitter, holographic star glitters. And that's what I figured I'd first try out doing. Then cure it and then do a different kind of glitter as another layer. If you want to see more resin videos, let me know. I like doing this. I can sit here and resin all day. Oops, just need a little bit more. Guess I'll wait for a little bit longer. In the meantime, I guess I will go with more of like a green glitter. So here's the green glitter that I have. It's called Verdelight. Verdelight. It's fun to say. Okay. So we'll pop this. And then I'll put another layer. And then I'll add some more glitter, different kinds of glitter. And we'll keep doing that until we get to the very top. Okay? Okay, I put another layer of resin. And now I'm going to be doing feldspar. Which is kind of like a little bit more blue than the green. Now I'm just spreading it along a little bit. Okay. Now I'm going to put that in the oven. The little light source. And we're going to get back to this. Back and forth and back and forth. All right, now with this one, I think I'm going to just do blue. And I'm going to actually use this because I cured a little bit. So I'm going to use the other side of this. And then I'm going to scrape the blue. Now I did drill a hole into these with the Dremel. So at least I already know where not to go with the resin as far as how back I go. Okay, I'm going to have to mix some more. So at least now I know So now, like I said last time, alcohol wipe will clean up all of this. Might as well pick up some of this glitter. Okay, back to this jammy. Now, I'm just going to put the resin until I reach the top. Now, if you're thinking, oh, but there's bubbles in it, it's okay with this one. Like sometimes you want bubbles, sometimes you don't. To me, I think bubbles would give this a little bit more character. Rather than just leaving it bubble free and crystal clear, I kind of like it. So, those guys go in the garbage. This one I will start working on the white. Because on the seashell, we're going to have the white going there, and then I'm going to put the clear to poke through. Okay. So there is the pastel. I'm just waiting for this to cure. I normally put it to cure for about 3 to 4 minutes. Just so that way I make sure that it's solid and there's not going to be an issue if I just happen to bang it with one of these. I really hope these come out cute, because it would be horrible to show y'all all this work and all this effort just for it to be not good. Okay, so I mixed up the white, and I say it looks a lot better. So we just pour that on there. Now I'm trying my hardest to pour all of this on here without spilling. So, oh my God, that was so close. All right, I gotta quickly move because I put a bit too much resin as the blue. So maybe the first time I did the resin was actually perfect. Just good enough to work with. So now I learned, and it definitely fell through the hole. So now I learned for next time, because that seashell is total fail. Hopefully this, after a few more seconds underneath the lamp, will come out a lot better, because this one definitely looks like it still needs more curing. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll come back and show you what's the deal. Okay, so here is what we have. This is the seashell one, and I think it came out pretty cool. I definitely have to pay attention to the fact that I'm like spilling over, and I filled in the hole. So now I'm going to have to use like a small drill bit to try and get all the way through the resin to the hole, so that way I can make this into a charm. And then here we are with the unmolding of this. Hopefully this came out awesome. Oh, wow. That is super cool. Let me just lift you guys up. Maybe. What? Okay. Let me take that off. That is like super cool. Trying to catch the light in here. How cool is that? And then you can see the glitter separation. That is amazing. Let me see something. I do have these little things so you guys can see up close and personal. Man, this is really cool. And the thing is I also ordered, I can't find it, but take a look. I'll take a picture and post it at the end because this is just really cool. Now, I did order, I'm just like a whole big kind of mess. I did order these triangles. So hopefully I measured it right and it's the big one, because what I was going to try and make is it's like a crystal that is filled with crystals and all these different things. So that is something that once I get that mold in, that I will try at a later date. And I'm going to get some crystals, some aluminum, some metals, some copper wire and stuff like that to create this thing. I forgot what it's called. It starts with an O. I'll figure it out. I'll figure it out after this video. I don't know. But that is just absolutely cool. I wish you guys could see this the way that I do. I'm loving that. I'm going to work as a necklace pendant. I am so in awe of this. I just have to sand down the rough edges up here on the top. But this is just amazing. All right. Anyway, so that's it for today. If you guys want to see some more resin stuff, comment down below. Let me know. And I mean, I have different kinds of molds. I have like these guys. Maybe we can do something for Valentine's with a little puzzle piece, like You Complete Me, or, you know, something like that. Just let me know in the comment section down below. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share. Bring some friends on here. Let's have some fun. And yeah, I want to hear from you guys, so make sure that you comment down below what you want to see, what you liked, what you thought was funny. Do I look like a hot mess? Of course I do. I always do. That's the life of a mom. You always look like a hot old mess. I was getting some allergic reactions, so you probably will see like blotches throughout the entire video on here. I don't know what this is. I'm allergic to dust, so maybe there was some falling dust. I don't know. So comment down below. Let me know what you're allergic to. Matter of fact, you know, I just want to get to know you guys and kind of make this channel the way that you guys want to see it. So I will see you guys in the next video. I'm going to try and post once a week. And yeah, see you guys.